Ever found yourself asking, why isn't my Google Play Store working on my Samsung phone? Whether it's crashing, freezing, or just won't open, it's a common and super annoying problem. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem without a hassle. Let's jump right into it. Before starting, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. Corrupted cache or data files are a common cause of Google Play Store issues. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notification. Find and tap on the Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. Solution 2. Uninstall and reinstall Google Play Store updates. A recent Play Store update might be causing issues. Go to Settings, tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap Google Play Store. Tap the three-dot menu or a three-lines icon. Tap Uninstall Updates and confirm. Open the Play Store, it will automatically update. Solution 3. Check for Android system updates. An outdated Android OS can lead to compatibility issues. Go to Settings, tap Software Update, tap Download and Install. Install any available updates. Disable and enable the Play Store app. Press and hold on to the Play Store app. Tap Disable, then again tap Disable. Next, open the settings. Then go to Apps. Find the Google Play Store. Tap on it, then tap Enable from below. Solution 5. Remove and re-add your Google account. This can resolve account synchronization issues. Go to Settings, tap Account and Backup or Accounts. Tap Manage Accounts. Tap Your Google Account. Tap Remove Account and continue. Now go back to Settings, then Accounts and Backup. Now tap on Add Account and re-add your Google account. And there you have it. Hope one of these solutions helps you banish those annoying Google Play Store crashes and glitches on your Samsung device. Which fix worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.